Now, next up is Omar Khan. He's the Senior Vice President of Strategy and Product Management for Samsung Telecommunications America. Omar?
Thank you, Ken. Good evening, everyone. Mr. Shin did a great job of sharing Samsung's global mobile phone outlook. I've been working in this industry for well over a decade, and I think most of us would agree in this room that in the last 2 years, it's probably changed much more than it did in the entire decade previous to that. You know, honestly, this creates a number of opportunities for mobile innovators or mobile device innovators such as Samsung. A few years ago, to be honest with you, many mobile device manufacturers had to lock their roadmaps up to 2 years in advance. In today's mobile marketplace, Samsung has taken a more flexible approach to address this new rapidly evolving industry. U.S. consumers are becoming much more sophisticated and are asking for devices when they walk into the point of sale for a very specific application or for a very specific user experience. People want the phones to work the way they live. So aligning our product development and portfolio planning strategy with the primary needs of these different consumer segments or experience segments allows Samsung to both cater to their current needs as well as adapt to their future needs. For instance, I'll give you an example. The single largest group of mobile consumers today are still voice-centric users. And those are the phones where people are primarily using their devices to make mobile phone calls. Samsung's goal is to revolutionize the phone call by providing touch sensors and speech-to-action capabilities and applications that are native, that place their favorite features and context within instant access or a single touch. Today's smartphone user, for instance, isn't just an enterprise-supported professional, but this includes a much broader demographic. These consumers also share the need to stay connected and organized, but they do have distinct tastes. That's why we're creating a portfolio, a wide portfolio, in a variety of form factors and colors that leverage both large touchscreen displays and QWERTY keypads. On the other hand, some consumers have a healthy appetite for consuming multimedia and location-based services, as well as applications and browsing content. These are the people who depend on their mobile phones to listen to music on the go, watch video, read the news, search the web, get turn-by-turn directions with the help of built-in GPS. We're making all of this possible by developing a converged device set with powerful multitasking capabilities that can easily swap back and forth between applications. We're also working to meet the needs of the mass text messenger. As we know, messaging is a hugely expanding category in the US and globally. The blogger, the social networker. Our new generation of phones will give people the freedom to leave their computers at home and still be able to communicate with their friends and family while accessing, sharing, and creating content on the go. So we've talked a great deal in depth about designing mobile devices, form factors, and segmentation. But hardware and form factor are only a piece of the equation, as we know. Software is a big part of the equation. Today, there's a number of different mobile operating systems and platforms that we have to support and that are available to consumers. Samsung supports all of these platforms, including Windows Mobile, Symbian, Android, as well as our own proprietary OSs, which are optimized for very specific user experiences. We still need to give consumers consistency in their user experience across all of these platforms and devices. As you may know, last October, Samsung launched a series of touchscreen devices in the US that carry a unique user experience called TouchWiz. The first generation of TouchWiz was designed to complement a variety of mobile platforms by using interactive widgets for one-touch access to native applications such as calendars, email, or media players. The new generation, the current generation that we're rolling out now of TouchWiz supports online widgets, which we're calling rich connected mobile applications. These powerful connected mobile applications will provide one-touch access to a variety of internet services. We'll do this through a combination of strong partner relationships with top internet and social media companies, as well as the development of proprietary technologies and applications. For example, we're already working with the likes of Yahoo, Google, and AccuWeather, and our connected mobile application platform now includes instant access to weather, news, and search at the touch of a button or a touch of your finger. But this is just the beginning. Next month, Samsung will announce the availability of a software developer kit that will be available on our new Samsung Mobile Innovator website. Our hope is to enable professional developers to create new and exciting and a wide array of rich connected mobile applications that consumers can add to their Samsung mobile devices. In addition, and this is something I'm very excited about, we will also release a web-enabled version that will allow consumers like ourselves, those of us in the room, to create our own applications and download them to their mobile phones. We'll have more to say about this program in the upcoming weeks. Besides making great phones, Samsung is also developing the next generation of technology to support the entire wireless mobile broadband ecosystem, including WiMAX and LTE. This next generation of mobile broadband will require a new generation of mobile devices. I'd like to show you one of those right now. This is the Samsung Mondi. This is the most advanced handheld device to support the full 4G speeds and connectivity of the mobile WiMAX network. In case you were wondering, Mondi is Latin for world. This is a mobile internet device that offers the power of a laptop that can easily fit in the palm of your hand or in your pocket. The Mondi includes a large 4.3-inch wide VGA touchscreen display that slides open to reveal a full QWERTY keyboard. It's built on the Windows Mobile 6.1 professional platform, but includes the TouchWiz user interface that I talked about earlier, as well as rich connected mobile applications. It supports, from an ear interface perspective, both WiMAX and Wi-Fi. It comes out of the box with an Opera 9.5 browser. It includes up to 4 gigabytes of user memory, as well as expandable memory using an micro SD card, up to 32 gigabytes of support. It supports all most popular music and video formats. It comes preloaded with Route 66 software to support turn-by-turn navigation. It'll come in box with an in-car mounting kit that'll allow it to function as a PND or a personal navigation device. It'll come with a Windows Mobile Application Store, a 3-megapixel camera, and a camcorder. And those are just to name some of the features. We have some more exciting products that we'd like to show you now, and so I'd like to turn this over to our illustrious Chief Marketing Officer, Bill Ogle.